Alright, hello everybody, and we're at Morningstar Games today, and we're going to try something new. We decided we want to do something kind of in a WWF, WWE fashion for those new kids, where we each, at least every once in a while, choose a same point figure. In this case, we've got two 100-point pieces. Try to get something that we both enjoy playing. Rashad, as we know, is a Superman guy.
I am a Superman fan. He has yet to have a click that I like. Sorry. Keep trying with kids. Try again. He needs outward protection.
Yeah. But anyways, so we've got two pieces here today. We've got two that we prefer, I personally like. I got my question here. You've got your
Superman from the Justice League strategy game at 100 points.
And we're going to tell you why we're playing them, and then we're going to battle it out here on a little mini map to see who really is the more superior hero pick.
Yeah.
So, if you want to start off.
Oh, sure. Alright, well, I picked the Superman because, in theory, his full charge is supposed to be kind of awesome. His full charge in one straight line, so whether it could be diagonal or straight, you know. But, you know, we'll see. He has 4 damage. He's pretty cool. He's got 4 damage, you know, 400-point piece of 4 damage and a full 11 squares of charge. That's pretty nice. And 17 impervious and indomitable with the Superman Allied team ability and the JLA team ability if you wanted to have the JLA team ability. So, I mean, you know, even though we don't probably use that as much anymore in the modern game, but still, for the most part, he's in theory, he's a solid piece. And he's Superman and I like him. So, look at my shirt colors. No problem. So, we'll see.
Alright, and I brought a question from the Trinity of Sin convention exclusive team base. Why I chose him? Honestly, he's close to OP. He's indomitable to begin with. He's also got the ability where he can exchange basically any power that's on his dial for another one that's on his card. On top of that, he can use Perplex twice, just as long as it's not on the same piece. He can use Perplex twice, so he can perplex himself and then perplex someone else, or so on and so forth. Not to mention, look at this sculpt. This is just this is
one of the best
sculpts in HeroClix to date. And not to mention, I mean, he starts with decent stats. He's got 3 damage. He's got 17 defense and 10 attack with charge. Granted, he doesn't have range, but I think he's going to do pretty well today, especially when we get Assist Superman, who, well, no, he has 8 range. So this might be interesting.
Yeah, I'm not going to base you with your combat reflexes there.
Yeah. Alright, so I'll get the camera on the map here, and then we'll...
You're going down!
Oh, bring it, brother! Alright. Alright, yeah, we both have theme teams. Roll to see who starts. Well, obviously, you've got a good start to it.
Yeah, I just wasted my best roll, that's all.
Choose what side of map. And I'll choose over here.
It's cage mate.
It's cage mate. Anyways,
you're joking.
Yeah. Alright, so I'm going first, or you?
You're going first.
I'm going to go first? Yeah. Alright. Well, I'm going to start off by going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah, that's all.
I'm gonna perplex up myself, my defense, and I can't touch you first turn immunity.
Right.
So that's my turn.
All right. And you don't have Outwit.
I do not have Outwit. All I have is Perplex. Oh, and I should have at the beginning of my turn I should have chose a different power, but since I forgot.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna roll for a breakaway.
It's
not gonna matter.
Eventually, we're gonna have to get in a fist fight.
Yes, but I prefer you to attack first. I'm not gonna roll a 19, but you know what? Screw it. I'll attack on a 19.
Actually, a 20 because perplexed at my defense. Yeah. A 9 on a. He would have. If I was. Yeah. I didn't perplex up.
We're gonna win. So go ahead.
All right. Well, I'm going to choose to remove charge and take up flurry.
Okay.
Actually, yeah, not flurry. Yeah, I'm going to choose flurry instead of charge. And I'm going to perplex up my damage to a 4.
Yeah.
And perplex down your defense to a 16.
Yeah.
Alright, so I need to roll a 6. That hits, and then you roll impervious. Alright, so it'll take 2. Second flurry attack. That misses. That's my turn.
Alright. Going to breakaway hypersonic.
Alright.
Brother him, 2 blue.
Barely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Sally's dead and what?
Shoot.
Oh, he's green.
10 on a 17.
18.
Superman.
Superman team ability, alright.
We don't have him.
Landon asked me the same question. He says, can I play a red line with a different colored ring? And I'm like, no.
5, 6, 7.
He's one of those guys that can have constructs.
Take a construct. And naturally can take it.
He got a comic book.
Response.
Alright, and I'm going to perplex out my defense. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and perplex down your attack. Perplex down your attack.
But you don't have any
And I will clear.
I will also clear. We're doing a cage match.
Yeah.
Superman's already down. 2 clicks.
I will, the problem is you're in hypersonic now, so me getting to you is going to be difficult.
Yeah, don't worry, I can't hit you.
1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Do your best.
So, look what I did in my list.
Might as well. I'm actually, beginning of my turn, I'm going to choose
So now I can look
Super Senses.
exactly what I need.
See, I would have had a hard time with this because I'd have had them all in yellow.
I'm just going to move here. Actually, here.
This would have been confusing.
And I will perplex on my defense and down your attack down.
Socks and the 4 chaser.
Breakaway.
That's where I am. And I get the Desperate Television.
Sonic. 1, 2, 3. 9 on a 18. 99 is 18.
I perplexed up my defense. Yep, and that hits for.
But you chose Super Senses, didn't you?
Oh yeah, I did. Thank you for reminding me. And I successfully rolled a 5.
Superman is not going to do this.
I'm asking, as the initial construct on the page,
We're just wasting time for you chilling.
Oh, I forgot to put an action token on over
It's
here.
all good.
place,
Alright,
that would be considered part of my bill.
They'd be in your like sideline to your sideline or whatever they call
Are they
it.
allowed to have that?
Sure. That's built into the tournament.
6. Just one away.
So I move to the edge. You have enough advantages over me right now.
Yeah, so I am going to perplex.
This is my problem with Wiz Kids.
I'm going to choose Super Senses again. And I will
100 point Superman.
Smoke Cloud.
Okay, I'm fine.
1, 2, 3.
You're good.
And I'm just, yeah.
100 point Superman cannot handle the question. This is where we are in HeroClix. Every other click on the planet can have better stats than Superman. Everyone.
And perplex on my defense, perplex down his attack.
Yep.
Screw those red lanterns.
Alright,
These guys, you don't have to use
I'm
any.
gonna shoot. 9 on a
18.
And they all have to be one color. But what I'm saying,
Missed by 1.
yeah, all the different colors.
Alright, I'm going to choose the same things again.
We have to write down those.
Clear.
back to you.
Alright, I'm going to choose
Everyone can recycle
Flurry.
Green Lantern Oath. I'm going to
And I'm going to remove
popping off the other color.
Smoke Cloud.
The indigo one?
I'm going to perplex up my damage and perplex down your defense. And I'm going to charge 1, 2, 3, 4. And flurry.
Mark actually downloaded
10 to a 17.
whether he did or not.
For 3.
For 4. Perplex up my damage.
Yeah. Okay, so
hits.
1, 2.
what I was telling everybody
He has 1 click left.
participation prize.
Alright.
Second half of your flurry.
We're gonna get first,
Second half of flurry.
fellowship, and it'll go in this order.
16.
Yep, he's dead.
Do whatever you want. So if you
So
want,
there you go.
There we go. Yeah. Yeah, but so yeah, question's awesome.
Questions of 100 points are a lot better than 100 points too, man. See, these 100 point players, when they're broken up like this at 200 points versus 100 points, they're great when you're trying to build a theme team. One-on-one, it's not worth the value to me. It's great for theme teams, but this is really a 200-point piece that you're going halfway through his dial to make him be a 100-point piece. It doesn't work well. It's great to have a cover tournament if you have something fun. This piece was designed to be 100 points, and you can tell the difference.
Yeah, I mean, it's not like he's got heavy like stats, like 4 damage or anything like that. He's only got a dial that's 6 deep, but those 6 clicks.
Maybe on a bigger map it'd be harder to.
Bigger map. Well, the thing is, I'd be chasing you around the entire time. Luckily, I just had to get in the middle and eventually charge to you.
Right.
So, but yeah,
also gave up.
That's our first WE event. Thanks for watching. Let us know who you want to see in a matchup. 200-point pieces, 50-point pieces, etc. Till next time, thanks for watching.